Ladies and gentlemen, today we're having a look at Tradezero. We're also having a look at Cmeg. We want to know, as a trading platform, what they can actually offer you within your trading journey and how they can bring you benefit. All right, Tradezero is coming in now as a commission-free stock trading platform. It is a revolutionary trading platform that is eliminating commission fees while providing professional-grade tools and direct market access for serious stock traders. Let's dive a little bit deeper. So the zero commission trading with direct market access. So you can trade US stocks and ETFs completely commission-free. This maximizes your returns by eliminating unnecessary trading costs. Your orders route directly to exchanges for faster execution and better pricing, cutting out the intermediaries. There's no payment for order flows, which means it's completely transparent. Your trade execution is without any hidden conflicts of interest. So it's completely transparent and it's saving you money. Some of their extended hours and margin training. So you can access pre-market and after-hours trading sessions for maximum flexibility in capturing market opportunities and managing your positions. You can also take advantage of competitive margin rates for leveraged trading opportunities while still maintaining responsible risk management practices. You can also create customizable watch lists and set up intelligent alerts to track your market movements. And this means that you will never ever miss an important trading opportunity. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Cmeg, a professional grade market data and trading solution provider. So let's have a look a little bit more as to what they can actually offer and why they stand out. So they deliver real-time information and analytics across all major financial markets worldwide. Let's dive in. So the multi-asset market data platform. You can access real-time market data for equities, futures, options, and forex markets with institutional quality, speed, and reliability. The high-speed delivery. It has an ultra-low latency data feed that is designed specifically for professional traders who require split-second market information for competitive advantages. You can see it also has a comprehensive historical data archive, which enables thorough backtesting and strategy development across multiple timeframes and markets. Their trading analytics and visualization. So, you get a professional charting tool with hundreds of customizable indicators and overlays for comprehensive technical analysis. It is a powerful, it also offers powerful heat maps and market scanners that can help you identify profitable trading opportunities across thousands of instruments. And then you have the seamless integration with third-party trading platforms via robust APIs for unified workflow management. Ladies and gentlemen, it is no lie that there's a lot of competition out there. My advice is always to go and check which software platform actually works for your specific use case and put it into a real life scenario and use it. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.